It's the bottle of mom. Yes, babe, I know. And that's what makes them taste so good. Get me, look, just wash them, paint them up nicely, and I will suck them toes, babe.
Ivana!
Yo, babe, the man's here, yeah, I gotta go, yeah? Alright, cool.
Thank you very much for coming to meet me.
Thank you, man, thank you.
My day, it's a pleasure to meet you, definitely, man.
Thanks, man.
You know, when we heard about your book acquisition, I knew straight away I wanted to interview you. Straight away. We wanted to know more about you and your mum's relationship.
Yeah.
You know, it's not a relationship that we see often.
Yeah. The relationship is tight.
Oh, really? See, that's what we wanted to see, off-camera stuff. You know?
Yeah.
Well, it's just one thing missing, though.
Yeah.
Where's your mum? Oh, well, she's running late. You know?
Maybe. I mean, mommy is black and she's Jamaican, so I guess we'll be seeing her next week.
What does that mean? No?
She's there. She's there, big man.
Oh, thank God. I had to deal with this stupidness.
Cause she the baddest from time, oh my. Should've seen the way that thing just walked by, oh my. It's the way she party right there, we don't need no room in Ramada. Aye, cause when she tease me, I move my hands away. I could do this all night. I know you want me dumpling, don't lie. I think her name was Kiana. Oh, we were chatting away about how a man loves giving a drama. You the baddest up in here. It all started with a one look. Like, babe, you look, say I can cook. Now I'm hooked up for one joke. There's no need to lie. Y'all ain't right, why try fight it? If he ain't treating you nice, then baby, I will. Ain't no point in lying, to be honest. There's no love without no trust, and yeah, that goes for me and you. And this ain't nothing like before, that's just me putting two and two. Let's just forget about your past, I beg you, please don't get me started. If you wanna make this last, we just gotta see this through. Sometimes you have to be disrespectful just so they notice you. Believe me, whatever happens, you know I'ma stay true. Look, I'm a ride for ya, can't spend all my time with ya, but if you ever need a shoulder to cry on, I got two for you. See, nothing can ever come between us, no.
Hello, Mum, it's finally nice to meet you, and...
Hi. What with all the pigeon problems here and the ferret flu, I think it'd be wise if I was to shake your hand on the behalf of Mum here.
Now I'm confused right now.
Brother, listen. I've been dealing with this since birth. Yeah? I suggest it's pretty logical. We go and do the interview and do it now.
Yeah, we should all just go in and do the interview.
Yeah.
Before anything else get weird. This is how it's gonna work. Gonna ask you a few questions. You're gonna answer them. Simple, really. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So, to start with, big fan. Congratulations, getting on the semi-final of the Prime Quest Talent Show. Big deal, man. I like that. Yeah? Look, we know your name, but nobody knows your name. So what's your name, Mum? Okay, we're just gonna call you Mum. So Ivana, you got your mum dragged out back to security. And what we want to know is what happened when you got home.
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. You sure you're right?
Mate, she's fine, yeah? She's like the Mona Lisa. She communicates with her eyes. Basically, on occasions like tonight, Miss Mum has requested that you can communicate through me. So if you'd like to continue, immediately, Neil.
What we should be talking about is how Mum suddenly thinks she's a big shot.
Meaning?
Well, she's buying expensive shoes.
Men's best. You've been a messin' where you shouldn't have been a messin'. And now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you.
She's been taking dance lessons. She's having piano lessons. She went on 2 holidays since the Prime Quest bootcamp auditions, and did she bother taking me?
No.
Big man, listen. Rhetorical question. Don't interrupt me. I asked the question and I answered the question. Yeah, so like, she's been on 2 holidays since the Prime Quest audition. And did she bother taking me, brother? No! Brother, I told you already. Like, you're not paying me, you feel me? Like, you're just giving me a t-shirt and that. Don't interrupt me. It's rude. R-U-D-E. Trying to violate me, bro. Like you can do your ABCs backwards. No, exactly. Anyway, she's been on 2 holidays. Did she bother inviting me? No. I mean, she has a security guard with her now. Do you want me to tell you why she's spending all this money?
Why? Please tell me.
Simply,
Look.
I don't mean to interrupt you, but I really need to do this interview the right way. I need to be speaking to you, Mum, not to your spokesman. So please.
Don't worry about him.
What the heck was that?
No, you just have to deal with me. Don't worry. It was only £500 extra upon him salary to do that.
So what? You paid him extra just to knock himself out? Look, don't even answer that question. Please, just answer the other questions, please.
Well, I'm living the high life because me I go win the money. Me I go win the £10,000, and when me win the money, me I go pay off all them debt collector people them.
Wait. So you took out a loan from the bank?
That's what me just said. And when me win the money, them I go win back them money.
They're not gonna win back their money that is already theirs. You took a loan out, so you owe them the money. Do you get it? Okay, this is ridiculous. Can you just answer me one question, please? One stage,
Yeah.
one semi-final, one spot. Who's going to attend the audition?
Well, me of course.
I guess thank you for whatever that was. But please, don't come back. Oh, good luck deciding who's going to attend the audition. Knowing you guys, you probably decide by having a race.
Not a bad idea.
You really want to race me?
We can do this now. We can't. Might have dancing lesson. What about tomorrow? No. I can't do it tomorrow. I told my girl how I'm gonna suck it. What about 2 days from now? Deal. All right, cool. Y'all gonna learn today, son. Watch here. Cool. Touching toes. We are going to yes. Alright, Mom, let's do this. The rules are simple. Whoever wins will get to perform in the semi-finals. No ifs or buts. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna start here, and we're gonna go straight, and we're gonna go around the whole park. Take about 2 hours or so. Alright, fine by me. And Mom, no cheating. Promise. Alright. Cool. On your mark, get set. Oh my God, Mom, you just promised you wouldn't cheat. And you also promised your father that I was on contraception. But here you are. See ya. Hold on.
You're the title of my song. Give me your body. Baby, you're so sexy, you just make my mind follow. Give me your body. The way that you move, you just make my mind just slow. Give me your body. I'ma get to rare, baby, what for me? Oh, give me your body. What for me? Give me your body. What for me? Oh.
Hello, hi. You're buff. I mean, you're sexy. I mean, you're nice. You look like a great person, and I would love to stay and talk, but I'm really in a rush. So, can I get your number? Maybe we can talk sometime. And it can't work. Bana, I'm a friend this. All the while you speak to her, I bet you didn't notice. Me pass you. Bye, Felicia. No, wait. Can I really get your number though?
Boy, bye.
Yes, me, I win. I'm in the lead. Oh, and I still passed you. Hold on there, stop, time out. Let's have a break for some refreshments, car. Me tired, and me know say you is tired too. All right, cool. Refreshments. Mama, you ready? Let's go. All right, Bano. I'm done. Come on, let's go. I'm done. Cool. Ready? I'm ready. We're ready. Go. Man, I'm gonna tell you, sir, you is slow. What? You really think this is my real speed? Okay, Mom, you're in for a surprise. What? Let's go. What? No. Forget this.
I got you. Running from myself no more. Together we'll win it all. I ain't running from myself no more. I'm ready to face it all. If I lose myself, I lose it all.
You passed me.
Me win. Thank you, Lord.
I swear, by the way.
Me have to perform at the semi-final. Won't you wow. Eat it, Bana. Eat it.